Hey dudes, here's how to make a refrigerator cake in the USA. So you will need a box of graham crackers, one 14-ounce can of condensed milk, two 7.6 fluid ounce cans of table cream. Make sure it's table cream and not whipping cream because whipping cream doesn't work. You will also need a bowl to mix the cream and the condensed milk, and a pan to put the actual graham cake, and you would also need a spoon. So let's make the actual cake. First, combine the condensed milk and the table cream. Open it up. Put it down here. And let's mix it with table cream. Yes. Cream is good. It's also hard to find. There we go. Yes. Time to mix it around. Come on. As you have noticed, the cream and the condensed milk are about equal parts because we want this cake to be sweet enough but not too sweet, because we all know sweetened condensed milk can be a little too sweet. Mix it until it's generally smooth, like this. Time to assemble the cake. First is put a thin layer of cream and condensed milk on the bottom of your pan. Alright, time to put the graham cracker layer. First we need to open this box. Time to put a nice layer of graham crackers. It doesn't matter if the graham crackers overlap, just make sure things are covered. Up next is the next layer of cream and condensed milk mixture. Make sure that you are covering the graham cracker layer with the mixture. Then repeat the layer with graham crackers, but this time change the orientation of where your crackers are laid on. It doesn't matter if it's crooked as long as everything is covered. And put the mixture again. Make sure everything is properly covered. So repeat the steps until you fill up your pan. So when you're at this point where the cake is actually almost level to the pan, as long as you have enough cream, it's okay. Just fill it in with last remaining amounts of cream. Alright, trying to conserve all the cream, but there's still more cream, so I'm gonna pour it down. Alright, that's a little too much. Just make sure it goes underneath everything. I'm just pushing all the graham crackers down because they are a little softened right now because of all this cream. So this is completely optional, so I crushed up some Cadbury Harvest Mix and I'm gonna use it as topping. Yes. You can completely leave out the toppings for this refrigerator cake, but I just want a little zhuzh on this one. Time for me to wrap this up with aluminum foil. Time to put this in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So we're letting it set for 24 hours so the graham crackers absorb all of that cream. So it has been 24 hours and it's time to get the cake out of the fridge. Time to unwrap this. And look at that. Time to grab a piece. And that's it. That's how to make refrigerator cake in the USA. So anyways, dudes, I'm Newecreator, and see you later. Hey dudes, and here's how. No. Two 7.6 fluid ounces cans of condensed, nope, it's a little confusing because it's a lot of words.
Two 7.6 fluid ounce cans of cream.
Okay. Two 7.6 cans, nope.
That's a lot of cans.
You will also need a bowl to mix. So this is completely optional, but I crushed some Harvest. You can completely leave. Nope. So it has been 24 hours since... No. Okay, I need to stop. And that's it. That's how to make refrigerator... No.